Today is a very special day for me, and I've been waiting for this day for a long time. The YouTube Silver Play button. This is all because of you, my amazing viewers and supporters. This box actually feels a bit heavy, and my excitement is at its peak.
Let's open it together.
There is a special letter here from YouTube. Wow, look at this. What a beautiful award. This isn't just a button, it represents our entire journey. My channel name is written here. More than 100,000 people have pressed the subscribe button. This button isn't just mine, it belongs to all of us. I started this channel with just one idea: to learn, to share, and to explore the world of electronics. And today we have become a community, a family of over 100,000 learners and makers. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and join our journey. And to everyone who has been with me since the beginning, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Next goal, the golden play button.